Our lease is expiring in just over a month, so our agent contacted us with some great apartment opportunities he has coming up he's interested in showing us. He has a handful of brand new buildings and hotels that were recently converted to apartments that are about to open their doors.
These units aren't online yet, and many are offering early bird incentives to get their first tenants. Today, we're getting a first look at what's coming to Da Nang's rental market.
We're interested in seeing if these discounts make moving worth it. Let's check them out. It's such a cool and fun, funky layout. So we were super lucky. When we very first arrived, we found an apartment within 48 hours of landing here in Da Nang. We are super excited because we are headed to sign the lease and check into our new apartment. However, because we were so eager to save money and get out of our hotel, we did pick quickly. After 2 really long days of searching, we finally found a place that feels like home.
But now that we've been here for about 5 months on a 6-month lease, we have time to go out and be a little bit more thorough with finding an apartment that we like in this area.
And we may decide to stay in our current apartment, but we're not sure. We want to check out the different neighborhoods, the different price points, and see what we're really interested in this time.
Our contract allows us to do a month-to-month lease or a shorter-term lease after we fulfill our initial contract. So we can go out and explore without having any worries about where we're going to stay current.
All right, so we're going to look at several different styles of apartments today. We're considering everything from studios to 2 bedrooms, as long as they're within our price range of 12 to 15 million.
All right, let's get looking for some apartments.
From Myeon to Sun Tra, Da Nang has been booming with construction, and some of these projects are finally reaching the finish line. Before the grand openings, we're getting inside to see the layouts, the amenities, and the pricing structure behind these early deals. One advantage of working with a local agent is access to properties before they officially hit the market. Developers are competing for long-term tenants, so early bird incentives are becoming more common. Everything from reduced deposits to temporary utility discounts, even introductory rental pricing. Xin Chao. We are on the 10th floor in the Sydney Da Nang Hotel. Awesome studio apartment. So first you walk in, comfy white queen bed. You have a little desk, an armoire, a nightstand, and then huge floor-to-ceiling windows. They let in so much light. Right now, the curtains are being washed, so they're not here. But just look at these views. You can see the Aria Grande Hotel, and it's just a beautiful city view with a lot of plants and things. All right, then you have a full-length mirror, and this one comes with art, which is great. Our apartment that we have currently does not have any art at all. I would say this is almost a full-size fridge here in the kitchen. Plenty of storage space, cabinets. There's a cooktop if you want it, but it's tucked up here, so it's not a built-in, and that's because this apartment is in Myeon. So we are right in the heart of all of the downtown restaurants, and literally everything is in walking distance. If you live in this area, you don't have to cook. You just go out for all of your meals, basically. They have a kitchen if you want it. If you are inside for a few days and you feel like cooking, you can, but it's mostly set up so that you can go out and enjoy the city. It has a modern ceiling with recessed lights and this massive TV that rotates either side. So if you want to watch it from the bed, you can just pull it out and rotate it towards the bed. I'm not going to do it too much. Or you can do it towards the sofa. So it's versatile. You can watch it from anywhere. All right, here's the futon. And it looks like this might fold out into a bed if you had a guest come over and you wanted, someone just wanted to hang out and spend the night. And then the bathroom, and wait till you see this shower. There's a little laundry nook, so there's your own private washing machine. And then this super modern style bathroom with this amazing shower. So it has all types of jets here, lots of different options. Rain shower head, it even has a shower wand, and a little foot bath. It's got everything. So any apartment in this building comes with a 24-hour lobby, free bicycle services, they're just outside the front door, and access to the pool, as well as free weekly cleanings for your room. So that's all included. There are no extra fees. This apartment is by far the nicest so far. We'll show you why in a second. First, let's start in the bedroom. So queen size bed, You get your own private AC, floor to ceiling window, and or sort of like a peekaboo balcony. You can really get some fresh air in here, a breeze, but it gets better than this. This is the first bathroom, and I am in love with this sink. Super fun, cool addition here. I love the texture. It really adds, gives it a very modern vibe. We haven't seen anything like that here in Vietnam. A semi-partitioned shower, and again, these super cool jetted rain shower showers. They just have everything, so it's a luxurious experience in here. And then before we show you the master bedroom, let's take a look at the kitchen. So we have a full-size refrigerator, and again, this building is in Myeon, so it's not set up for your everyday cooking, but they do give you everything you need, cooktop and a kettle, and then of course all the dishes. You get more of everything. Then a dining area, nice table. There are also plants around here, which I love, live plants. So it gives it really that like homey feel to it. All right, the living room and a second TV, nice coffee table. So you could sit and eat here too if you wanted. You could even host people if you were into that. We don't do that, but you could. You have plenty of space for it. And this is a nice big living kitchen area, so you can move things around as needed. There's a balcony out here. You could actually come out and have your coffee in the mornings and sit and enjoy the sights of the city. And there are a couple peekaboo views of the water. One really cool thing that they have are ottomans. So we actually had to buy an ottoman on Lazada, but here they have those. So if instead of maybe eating or doing something on the coffee table, you want to relax and put your feet up, you can do that too. And now for the master bedroom. First of all, I love the shape. It's such a cool and fun, funky layout. It has this recessed part with the blue lighting. I don't know, it's super cool to me, I love it. And then 2 ceiling to floor balcony windows. So you get plenty of fresh light, even today where it's overcast and raining. It's super bright in here. Nice big comfy bed. What's funny is this looks just like the brand that we have. We really like it. And then a TV. So this is the 3rd TV in this apartment, and a working space. So you could come in here, close the door and work. You could do that in either of them, and someone could be in the kitchen. So really you could have 3 different workspaces at a time. And then the ensuite. So it's a little bit smaller because of the size of the bedroom, but it has everything you need. Again, these awesome showers, I absolutely love these. The toilet, and then another cool like basin modern sink. So the whole apartment has like a really funky modern vibe to it. And at $720 a month or 19 million, it's a little out of our price range. If we could get a roommate or go in on it with somebody, it would definitely be worth it. Also, wait till you see the pool upstairs. It's currently the rainy season, and we toured on an overcast day, but this pool and building really shine in the sun. Speaking of building amenities, the beach is only 300 meters away. There are discounted scooter rentals right across the corner. We're not sure if we can make the 2-bedroom work and extend our budget, but with upgraded finishes and more amenities than we expected, that studio is really looking like a contender for us. Next up, we head back to our favorite and current neighborhood, just a few blocks from our current building, and it's closer to the beach. These apartments have a clean, modern layout with good natural light. Pre-launch prices fall right into our $12 to $15 million budget. Xin chào. This apartment building is only 2 months old, so everything here is new. A couple of our favorite things is it has a set-in cooktop. These are not super common. We absolutely love ours. Induction, super nice. We use ours all the time. So the kitchen comes with pot and pan and utensils, plates, cutting board, scissors. These are super helpful whenever we're cooking. Anyway, and a washing machine. Also, one thing that this building has, because it's only 2 months old, is a dryer downstairs. It's one that everyone can use, but you'd only really need it during the rainy season, because during the summer, you can hang your clothing out here on this fresh air balcony. And it has a beautiful city view. You can see the neighborhood. This is in Sun Tra, and it's such a nice, quiet neighborhood too. Beautiful palm trees. And a sitting area for 2. a sofa with a table and TV. This is a nice spacious living area. You have a lot of room here. The only thing is that this is built in, so you wouldn't be able to adjust it, but you would be able to put your table out of the way if you wanted more area for cooking, or you can use it like an island. And then in here is the bedroom. So this is actually a 1 bedroom, and at $493, that's a great price range. So it has a closet, armoire, and you have a view from the bed, which is great. Nice and breezy. This time of year, you don't even need the AC. Nice and roomy and airy, especially with this natural light and the view. One thing is if there were 2 people here, one person would have to get in and out this way. So that's just something to keep in mind. Well, it looks like you can get your water delivered here. We do this also, we love this. Then you don't have to filter your water or anything. And a full-size fridge. And then look at all this storage space. This is fantastic. That's one thing that we wish we had a little bit more of in our apartment. And this one really delivers. And the bathroom. So it's all tiled, and it has a glass divider for the toilet, which for Steven is a deal breaker for sure. So this is really nice, and a rain shower head, very modern. Ooh, and storage area under there. That's definitely something our bathroom doesn't have. So all of this is for $13.5 million, or about $493 US. So a great price point for a 1 bedroom in Central. It's really close to our favorite pho restaurant, just a walking distance down the street. So that for us would be a big plus. And the ACs, so there's one here in the living room, and there's one in the bedroom. And since this is only 2 months old, they're both nice and new, and they're in English. Another great thing about this apartment is that you don't have to remember your key. So it's a keyless keypad entry. So there's nothing to worry about. You can get in and out, and unlike us, if you lose your card, you don't have to call the landlord. It's super easy. Super popular hot beach here in Da Nang. I love these funky cabinets. This is by far one of the largest of all the apartments that we have seen in Da Nang.